Hello, welcome to my channel again, and hope all are doing. And this is Ritesh, a tech expert, which will help you to grow in the technology. So last we learned about the different kind of tools which you use for AI related stuff like ChatGPT, Copilot, Grok, Notion AI, Grammarly we have used. Today we'll see whether AI is going to replace human jobs. AI versus human will understand what will change in the 2026 or 2027 coming or upcoming years. Everyone is worried about what is going to happen. It's a world entire thing. What will the do we lose the jobs, and what will going to happen? We'll give some highlights on that. Let's separate fear from the reality. Will AI take your jobs? Should professionals be worried? Is AI a threat or an opportunity? These are the questions keeping professionals awake at night. I am also professional. I also think sometime what is going to happen next year or upcoming years. Like AI is gradually increasing the thing. What will happen? Headlines scream about job loss while tech companies promises revolutionary productivity gains. The expectation is too high. Because AI comes already in a picture. What are the work you are doing, which earlier takes 10 days, now it can be done in 2 3 days. Why you are taking this much time? The truth lies somewhere in between, but where exactly? Is it perfectly that is correct? Understanding AI real impacts requires looking beyond the hype. This looks like more hype we are providing. This presentation will help you separate genuine concern from exaggerated fears, identify where AI excels and where human remain irreplaceable. Cannot be machine cannot replace the human, and discover how to position yourself for success in an AI enhanced workplace. How you can make your importance in the organization. How you can make I am the best. I can do everything as a human. Even though AI is there, you need me. How smarter way I can adopt the AI, and I can do the work with the more quality, more quantity way. So there is a big fear. When people hear AI, several unsettling images come to the mind. These fears are not unfounded. They are based on the real technologies, advances, but they often miss the full picture. We always fear actual, but we don't know exactly what is going to happen, what kind of thing, what is AI. Job loss. Stories of the company replacing dozens of hundreds of workers with AI system fuel anxiety about widespread unemployment across all industry. Always people hear about this company is due to AI, they are firing these people, this many people got lost their job, those kind of, but might be exactly the behind between something else. Automation replacing human. The vision of robot and algorithm performing tasks once requiring human judgment makes and many wonder if their expertise will become absolute. Something related, duplicate or repetitive kind of work. Robot taking over industry from manufacturing to customer service. The idea that entire sector could not transform overnight leaves professional questioning their long-term career prospects. It's not like robots are there, but to the come service like where the manual human work is manual doing, their robots are coming and doing the some replacement or things are happening, but not completely going to be happen in a day or night kind of thing. Let's move on. What AI can do? Let's see. AI system excel at specific type of works, particularly tasks that involve processing large amount of information, define pattern and perform repetitive operation without fatigue. Some big work is there, some big data is coming day by always we do to analysis that take lot of time, and there people can get tired. Where AI comes and do it can work there. Process huge data quickly. AI can analyze millions of data points in second, identify patterns that would take human weeks or months to discover. The capability revolutionized fields from the scientific research to market analysis. So where the like huge data is coming, There where AI can help that. Automate repetitive tasks. From data entry point to report generation, AI handles routine operation perfect consistency, freeing human to focus on higher value work. Suppose there is a mails are there, the mail I need to filter the spam or something. I want to mail this particular mail to go to the some other mailbox. Those kind of thing we can go with the AI, so that main human can focus some of the other important work. 24 by 7. Unlike human, AI system AI system does not need works, sleepless or vacation. They can monitor, process, request, and perform analysis on that one. So that's a so human cannot work 24 by 7, but machine can work 24 by 7. Reduces error. When properly trained, AI system make fewer mistakes than human repetitive tasks. But still, I will say you should not have blind trust on the AI thing. Whatever the output is coming, definitely as a human has to be analyzed that one. This reliability is a particular valuable in a critical application like financial transaction and the medical diagnosis. Analyzing the pattern. AI excels at recognizing the pattern in the complex data set, predicting customer behavior, detecting frauds, or identifying disease marker that might escape human observation. Human has to think, but if we give the certain all the patterns to that system, AI can help us to understand with the pattern recognizing, okay, this kind of pattern of data is coming, what kind of output I has to provide, what kind of analysis I have to do. That way it help to the system. What human do better, let's understand, because it's not like everything machine can done. Human also can do the lot of things, because till now everything is going human. Also in future also human will only do. Despite AI impressive capabilities, certain skills remain distinctly human. These are qualities that make professional irreplaceable and ensure that human judgment will continue to drive important decisions. Let's see what are those where a machine or AI cannot replace. Let's say creativity. Human excels at connecting disparate ideas, imagining new possibility and creating original solutions. Human can think, they have diversity. AI can optimize existing approach but struggle with the genuine innovation. It cannot give the new ideas. What are the things are there? It can do the best on that one. Emotional intelligence. Understanding emotion, building relation, and navigating complex social dynamics require human empathy that algorithm cannot truly replicate. Machine cannot understand the human. It will be not be biased. Okay. Critical thinking. Evaluating information sources, questioning an assumption, making judgment in the ambiguous situation where what I should do. Either I should do this one or either go with that one. What kind of addition based on the instance, based on the place, based on the situation. Sometimes we have to take the decision that machine cannot do. That only people can do. Human can do. Leadership. Inspiring teams make difficult trade-off and guiding organization through change require wisdom and character that no AI processor. I want to give some encouragement to my team. I want to give some encouragement to my colleague. I want to give some encouragement to my family. That AI cannot do. That human only can do. Next, ethical decisions. Definitely machine cannot go with the ethical decision. AI can suggest option based on the data. What are the but determining what right, fair, and appropriate in the complex situation requires human values and more reasoning. Suppose there is a lot of different kind of countries are fighting with each other. There we have to go with the leadership things, ethical decision, emotional thinking. We have to go with the critical thinking, different kind of creativity. How can sort out those issues? Job mostly like those can be get impacted, which have a redundant kind of thing. Some roles evolve significantly as AI take over routine aspect of work. Understanding these changes help professional where rather than panic, change does not mean disappear. It can be reduced, but it cannot be completely move out or it can be completely wipe out. Like data entry, manual input of information will increase by handled by AI that extract data from document, email, and from. So a lot of emails are coming, we need to filter the email. A lot of data is coming, from data we need to do analysis, we have to do some data entry kind of thing. We have to take one data from X place to Y place and from Y place to Z place. That if a human did take a lot of time, AI can do with the automate and the faster. Basic customer supports. First line support for common issue for with any AI chatbot with human handling complex or emotion. We are seeing a lot of the time whenever you are connecting in the bank side, institutional side, lot of now AI chatbots are there. First, immediately, like if you go to Amazon or any kind of flip, if you go with help, immediately it's like chat with immediately the chat agent will human will not be connected. It will go with the like automated chatbot, which where AI will be giving this. At last, when it's not able to provide the exact information, then it will go and ask help you to connect with the customer agent. Routine accounting, bookkeeping and transaction processing will become out with accounting focus on analyzing history. Suppose accounting data, suppose I am doing sales, purchase, I am giving money to someone, I am taking money to, I just put some of the data and that data has to go to propagate to some all other different kind of sales book, purchase book, or like profit and loss, all the different kind of account. There it helps to go with the automated kind of thing. Basic coding. AI can generate and helps to developer to write the basic code, allowing developer to focus on architect and complex problem, so that we don't have to think about a basic coding, what kind of thing, or code analysis, or means best optimization of the code. There, AI can help of us to write the best coding, different kind of with the using the best quality code and best optimized way. Content drive. First draft of report, emails, and document with AI generate the human providing define a final judgment. Like I want to send some mail, I want to create some document, I want to prepare some of the documentary, something, all my project related. So AI can help to first level of draft. It can help us to create them. Then human definitely has to go and do the refinement and final judgment. Human has to take, because we cannot, as earlier also suggested, we cannot go with the blindly with the AI related stuff. Growing because of AI. It's not about only the losing the job. Lot of jobs are getting also growing. For every task, AI automates new roles emerging to develop, manage, and apply this system. The AI revolution is creating more career opportunity than it's eliminating. So different fields are there, like different AI engineers, data scientists, prompt engineering, AI product managers, AI security expert. These kind of new jobs are also coming. It's not like that only we are losing the job. Lot of new area of the jobs are coming, which is help us to grow in our career and get the new opportunities. I'm not going to go in deep. You can go in the video. You can read in that detail in with that. And if you had any question, if you get more and more detail on that, you can put your question in the comment box. Definitely, I will be very happy to give the answers for that. AI industries, very tough. For professional like you, like I am also one of the professional, the technology sector leads AI adoption with the tool that transform how software is built, tested, and deployed. Understanding this application gives IT profession competitive advantage. Last session we learned about different kind of tools such as ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Microsoft Copilot, which helps us to do the coding faster and a more optimized way. AI assisted code tools that GitHub Copilot, so as you type, learning from the millions of open source projects for the accelerate development. Automated testing. So whatever we are writing, we have to do the testing. It helps to generate the test cases, identify edges, cases, and run test cases continuously. Automatically, the system will run the test cases before going to the final production. Code reviews. Also, it helps for the code review. I am some writing the code. That code is having proper security related. It should not have any kind of security vulnerabilities, or it's a proper. It should be properly having proper performance. It should not have performance issue. It should be proper optimized code. It should be and it could be properly reusable code, which can help to others to take that code help, not writing that code again and again. DevOps automation. What it says, suppose I am then writing the code, I know to go for the deployment, so we can do our pipeline deployment things automated, where it go and automatically what are the things, what are the stages has to system, like initial SIT stage, production stage, UAT stage, all stage it can go and it can help for the deployment as well. Hope you all are enjoying and you are with me. Okay, So also like AI in office work, this we are talking about the coding related, but we, apart from that, a lot of work we have day to day office related work, where we need to send the mail, where we need to generate some report, where we need to do some excel analysis, or there is a meeting, suppose long and long meetings are going on, and we want to summarize the thing there with the help of, suppose I am going to a teams meeting that having 2 hours of meeting, as said earlier. So I cannot go with a 2 hour sitting. We can get the summarize from them. I want to write some mail to the some of the management. I can write my basic mail. Then after I can just with the help of the AI, I can write best professional and optimize, and with the soft way the mails which can be very professional way. If I want to generate a reports from the any chart, or what are the data I'm getting, or the image I'm getting, we can automate the things. So likewise, it's helping a lot of other areas. AI in healthcare and finance also. Now it's getting very much popular, like the healthcare things like disease detection, faster diagnosis, and medical image analysis. Like if you go to doctor, earlier X-ray was there, you put the X-ray, all the thing. Now with the AI related, based on the image pattern, AI is doing very faster way and getting the exact result, where doctor can easily find the information. AI assist doctor does not replace them. Again, we are saying it cannot replace any algorithm can spot tumor in scans faster than human and predict patient deterioration before symptoms appear. Fraud detection, risk analysis and trading algorithm. AI monitored millions of transactions simultaneously, flagging suspicious patterns in the real time and adjusting investment strategy based on the market. Like stock market related, I'm going to put the stock. I have to put some money to the stock, whether which stock is going to, which mutual fund is good, which stock is good, which is going to be negative, which is going to be positive. Those all things can be analyzed, or those all things can be helpful to us. So hope you all enjoyed today's session again. So we'll connect in our next session to see next AI related things. Thank you for today.